Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be about flexibility, and we're going to focus on our back flexibility because a lot of you have been asking me what exercises, what stretches do you need in order to execute the needle. So the needle stretch, I'm going to attach a picture right here. It is a scorpion where you grab your foot from behind you, you use two hands and you try to bring it up as high as you can, and then you can bring that into a straight leg stretch, which is called a needle. So it actually is a lot more simple than it looks because it is an assisted arabesque, which I will attach a picture here, with two hands. So if you are a dancer who trains several times a week, if you take your stretching seriously and you're doing your splits and you're doing your bridges, then with time, you will definitely get that needle, but it does take a lot of consistency. So I always tell my dancers, because I also teach dance, that if you want to get a stretch, you have to give it time, but you also need patience. You can't go into a stretch one day, force it, and then you can potentially injure yourself, and then you just get very frustrated. So when I was younger, I taught myself how to get a needle, and I said to myself, I want to get it, I am going to get it, but I'm not there yet. So what am I going to do? Every single day, I'm going to inch my way into it. I'll start with the bent leg, take a nice deep breath, push it just a little bit further up. So maybe half an inch or an inch. I'll try it again. Then I'll give myself some time to rest, and I will repeat the same process every single day. And eventually I did get it. But you have to think of the progressions as well. So a lot of people say, okay, I want to get my needle, I'm going to just go for it. There are smaller progressions that you need to get to that point. So for example, a needle is a split standing up. So you have to think to yourself, do I have a solid split? And if you do, then do I have a solid oversplit? Same thing with your bridges. Do you have a back bend? Are you able to do that back bend with one hand on the ground? Are you able to lift a foot in that back bend? And are you able to walk your hands closer to your feet when you're in that bridge position? So there are so many different tips and tricks that you can practice to get better at your needle, and it's a lot of fun. I still practice it till this day because I obviously want to keep my needle, I want to maintain it, and of course I want to even get it better. There's always something that we can improve on, and the best thing about stretching is that you can only get more flexible if you stay on top of it. And remember, with a positive mind and telling yourself that you can and you will, it's gonna happen. Because I always did that. That was my philosophy since I was a child, competing and going to dance every single day. And it's really a rewarding feeling when you are able to accomplish those goals that you set. So here we go. I'm going to explain to you guys some of the stretching that I've done. I'm going to break it down into 30-second intervals so you could really take your time, breathe in your stretch, and then eventually, with some time and consistency, you guys will execute your needle stretch. All right, guys, let's get to it.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. Even if I couldn't love you back the same way you've been loving me always, please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is. This is our last kiss, and I hope you know that I thank you for making me see it. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself. I know I never meant to hurt you. I know I never meant to hurt you. But I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself. I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself, I'm in love with myself. Think about you all the time. You cut me loose. My heart was troubled, now I'm fine. Ooh, sky is blue, the snow is gone now from the streets. Oh, so soon we'll be blessed with summertime. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Nothing ever happened, I'm still waiting. I close my eyes, imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You don't wanna be left out. You wanna feel something real with someone who knows what you need. Yeah. But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah. You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.